Hey folks, just doing a little video here about air shocks. I happen to have a Buick LeSabre 2003 model. Anyhow, looking around on YouTube and stuff, there's not a whole lot out there I saw with what to do when your airlines break or are stuck inside the air shock. In my case, mine were stuck, as you can see just how rusted the inside of that fitting is for the airlines, and they would not come out for nothing. So anyhow, long story short, the lines broke, taking them out. Now, replacing these lines is a bear, going all the way back to the compressor, which is underneath the muffler. And fortunately, I found a kit. This is a Dorman kit, but the problem is it has the correct fittings, as you can see here, for the air shocks, but nothing on the other end, and none of these fittings in the other bag that come with it will mount up to the air compressor. So, after searching further on Amazon, I found this, which is a repair piece. They say it's for the Suburbans, Yukons, and Denali's and stuff like that, but it will fit pretty much any standard GM air ride suspension. All this is, it's got the connector on here, as you can see, and on the other end, it has, it's basically a shark bite, where you just push your airline in there and there's barbs that grab it with an O-ring in there to lock it into place. So this part is $19.95 on Amazon. This Dorman kit was, I believe, $29 at O'Reilly's. So anyhow, I'm going to go and show you how easy it is to install this on the new air shocks on the Buick I have. And for the other thing that nobody shows you really on the internet is what is inside of this connector and how it seals. So anyhow, as you can see here, here's that elbow clip. You unhook the line out of the clip here, and you can push it through, and you can see that the end of the plastic airline here has got a flare to it with two little O-rings. Now those O-rings and that flared end get pushed down into the connection there, and inside of this, the elbow piece, turn on my light here again, you can see, oh come on, focus, the ring down there in the bottom that the airline comes through, and that pushes down on those O-rings when it's snapped into place and pushes that flared plastic end into that fitting and seals it, and then it snaps into place around the lip here with the clip that's on the end of the fitting here. So like I said, I was able to get this part off right here, but could not get these O-rings and the lines to unseat from that fitting. So, and again, end result was the airline broke right at the connection here, and then I had to dig it out with my little picks to get it out, but by then my airline's already broken and I had to fix it and repair it. So this is the quick and easy repair for this, and we'll go show you how easy it is to put this thing on. So here's the new air shock installed, and see my line here needs to be trimmed a little bit. And when you trim these things, do not use your side cutters, because it will just crimp the end of the line closed, pinch it off as it cuts it. You want to cut it with some type of very sharp knife or a razor. And so anyhow, you just cut the end of it. This thing's got a very tiny hole on here, but I got a little burr there. I'm going to have to cut a little more off. All right. So you cut the end of it. Alright, so once you cut the end of it with your razor knife, something very sharp, again, don't use side cutters because it'll just crimp the end down and pinch that line off as it cuts it. So once you get that cut nice and clean with your razor knife, then you just take your part. This just pushes on the line like so. Need two hands for this, so hold on a second. All right, that just pushes on. Like I said, it's a shark bite, so it just bites into that hose, so it will not pull out. And then the other end, you just push right on there until it clips. It's seated, and the airline is repaired. Simple as that. Alright, well, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.